Magandang hapon guys, or sa Ilocano, maayong... No, that's Bisaya. Hi. Guys, this is little Ky Ky. His first time trying Red Horse. Guys, tagay! Kampay! Naimbag nga aldaw katakayo amin. This is Kuya Kurt reporting live from the Centro Cordillera region ng Central Luzon, better known as Baguio City. A beautiful city. I have a long history here. I used to live in this area as a missionary for 2 years, 25 years. I'm so old now, guys. Today, I'm super excited. We're going to one of the most viral restaurants in Baguio. I would actually say it probably is the most viral restaurant in the town. I've seen it all over social media. I'm so excited to try it for myself. It's a little known place called ETAG TV, and we're going to talk to the owner for a little bit here about his story, see what is on the menu, kung anong masarap, kung sulit siya, sasabihan ko lang sa inyo guys. So, ngayon, ako si Kuya Kurt. I like to travel around the Philippines finding the hidden gems of Filipino cuisine. So, tara na guys, let's go see what they've got inside ETAG TV. Let's go. Okay guys. Pasok tayo guys. Guys, may special guest tayo sa vlog na ito. Guys, ito yung mayari mismo ng ETAG TV. Anong pangalan po nila?
No. Siyempre ako si Mark Dave Mamuhem, also known as ETAG TV.
Kuya, kusina nyo ito?
Yes, sir.
Anong gusto nyong ipakita sa audience ko ngayon?
Tawag natin dito sa Benguet, pag nandito ka sa Benguet sa Baguio City, kiniing ang tawag natin dito. Kiniing. Pag nasa Sagada ka naman sa Mountain Province, tawag nila is ETAG naman ito. Ito naman yung sausage natin. Ang tawag natin dito is pinudag. Although ang pinudag kasi is more on blood siya. Pero we have a version, meron tayong version na wala siyang halong dugo. Para sa mga hindi kumakain ng may dugo.
Anong mas masarap sa palagay mo? Sa iyong pananaw?
Ako. Joke lang. Siyempre, dito rin yung chicken natin para sa ating pinikpikan.
Pinikpikan.
Yung pinikpikan is a traditional food na sinaserve yan actually pag may special occasion dito sa Benguet. Pero naging commercialized na siya. Meron tayong commercialized version ng pinikpikan na hindi na siya pinapalo-palo. Ang pinikpikan is killing me softly, the chicken is beaten. Pinapalo-palo yung chicken. Pero dito ngayon sa restaurant natin, commercialized na siya, hindi na siya pinapalo-palo.
Ay, okay. So mas mas maawain sa mga manok.
It's a modernized version of pinikpikan. Ito yung mga pinakuluan natin. So, papakita ko sa inyo ang itsura niya.
Ay, wow.
This is ready to eat already. Yan. Kinakat lang natin yan, sinaserve natin. Tinatanggal natin yung balat niya, syempre. Yan. Kung makikita mo, it's
ang ganda, no?
pinkish.
Pinkish.
Yeah, it's pinkish.
Anong lasa dyan?
It's masarap.
May amoy siyang karne. Di ba? Okay guys, try natin first time. Ano? Wow. So parang may lasa siyang ham.
Yeah.
Parang gano'n, di ba?
Yeah.
Like, for those of you in America, it's parang may lasa siya. America, tapos tinatagalugan ko sila. In America, it's kind of got like a Easter or Christmas ham. It's like a delicious smoked ham, guys. Masarap yun.
Oh, Kuya Kurt, first bite.
First bite. May lasa siyang sausage.
Yeah.
Hindi, parang may konting tamis.
Yeah.
But then also yung smoky flavor. So bukod sa mga items na ito, ano pa ang meron sa menu nyo?
So menu natin, pansit.
Pansit?
Lulutin tayo ng pansit. It's a regular pansit. Yeah. The ribs.
The ribs pa.
This is our menu. Ito yung
May
menu
stir
natin.
fry. Siguro ito na lang sa akin.
Okay,
Pinikpikan overload.
Alright.
Okay. Okay guys, so we're just gonna wait for Kuya to bring out all of the... He's got so many endorsements here, guys. Like, he's got so many endorsements. He's super sikat dito, guys, here in Baguio. And I've also seen his content. Like, as I'm scrolling, I've seen his content come up multiple times. So I was super excited to get up here and try it for the first time, guys. I'm so excited. But this is just, guys, are you freaking kidding me? I love Baguio so much. It's got a piece of my heart. I've told this story so many times on vlogs, so if you guys have heard this, you can just fast forward. I lived here in northern Luzon for a little over 2 years, 25 months to be exact, from September 2001 until August. Oh, so that's 23 months until August of 2003. So 2001 to 2003. And the mission, the LDS Mormon mission that I was called, because, you know, we break up the whole world into different areas. I went to the Baguio, Philippines mission. So back then, the Baguio mission was basically the northern western part of northern Luzon. And so the mission headquarters was here in Baguio. And so my very first, we flew into Manila on September, I think it was like 6th, September 6th or September 7th. My first international trip, first everything. And we landed in Manila at like 2 a.m. We slept in a little transient house, and then I went straight up to Baguio, to the mission headquarters, to meet the mission president, President Bowen, and his wife. And we stayed there overnight. So Baguio was really the first city I ever saw in daylight here in the Philippines. And then I continued for the next 2 years living in San Juan, La Union, Pampanga, Poso Rubio, or sorry, not Pampanga, Poso Rubio, Pangasinan, and then Abra in Benguet, Abra, and La Paz, which it's funny because to get to La Paz 24 years ago, we used to have to cross a river. And if it was tag-ulan and the river was high, they'd have these little bamboo bancas to like carry you from one side to the other. And now I haven't been back up there, but I was told that they have an entire freaking bridge up there. So it's really developed a lot. So anyway, I'm excited to get the food, guys. So let's wait until it comes out. And through the magic of editing, it'll be coming out in 3, 2, 1. Wow. Okay, guys. This is insane. Oh my gosh. Red Horse, mag-sponsor na kayo, ha? If you guys haven't seen the vlog from a few days ago, our kasama here, si Kuya Ed, he has his own restaurant we did a vlog at. They have Red Horse Gelato. Okay, guys, we have so much food here. We got this entire thing of pinikpikan. We've got our plato, we've got our silverware, and we've got our red rice, guys. Courtesy ni Kuya Mark. This is so much food. It's kasha, if you're, depending on how your appetite is, 10 to 12 people. So we're gonna get a nice big heaping spoonful of the red rice. Pink rice, I think he said it is. We're going to get a couple of the, oh my gosh, guys, look at this. This just looks so freaking good, and I can't wait to taste this sabaw. That's the one piece that I wasn't, that I didn't get a chance to taste was the sabaw. Okay, we're just gonna get all of the, oh my gosh, get ourselves some ribs. Guys, my mouth is just watering here. And then of course we have all of the laman here, guys. And I have even more stuff going on. And then we're gonna use the spoon. Oh shit. Guys, if you haven't had a chance to come up here, it's beautiful views. It's, oh my gosh, guys, that looks so good. Look at this. Okay, guys, this is what my small little starter plate looks like. We got the sausage, we got the ribs. This looks absolutely delicious. Okay, you guys ready? Let's get down to business to eat this pinikpikan. So I'm gonna try, actually I'm just gonna try the sabaw first. Ooh, wow. I'm sorry, little pusa, I don't have anything. Guys, it's a little salty, but like perfectly flavored. And it's got a, you can really taste all of the different meats combined into this sabaw here. Let's try this. Super excited, guys. Pinakpikan ni Kuya Mark here from ETAG TV in Baguio, Philippines. Let's go, guys. Wow. It tastes so similar to the sausage you get at like a regular barbecue house from the South in America. And of course, the star, guys. That is so good. It's sweet and it's savory. Oh, and this rice. I'm never ever eating meat again without rice, guys. I can't do it. I'm too used to it. I'm too used to the, look at how the smoky flavor that we've got on these. Wow. The flavor is so rich. I could eat this all freaking day. Okay, I'm gonna give you a little bit. A little cat. It was absolutely fantastic. Do you want more? Okay, okay. And of course, an ice cold Red Bull. Red Bull, Red Horse. Red Bull, mas sponsor kayo. I drink a Red Bull every day, guys. It's so bad. It's sugar-free at least. Guys, this is so much food, but it's so, so good. There's no way I'm going to be able to finish this all. So, I think, in the spirit of pakiki-halubilo, pakiki-halubilo, in the spirit of kapwa, in the spirit of kabutihang loob, I think I should invite my friends to come and have a bite because this is too much food for me. And of course, we're also going to share with Miss Ming Ming here. So guys, I think I should invite everybody over. We got a whole side group of people here just watching. Nagagutom ba kayo?
Yeah!
Yes, of course. Yes daw. Guys, we have all these special guests here. Bahala kayo sa inyong sariling upuan. Guys, they're gonna come and join me. Si Kuya Mark, Kuya Ed, si Ma'am Crashel. Tapos yung little brother ko, si Kyle.
Hi.
Kyle, how's the Philippines been so far?
Good. It's great. I mean, hanging out with you.
Gay. Joke lang, we don't put that in, guys. We are very friendly here. So guys, everyone grab a plate. Kain tayo. Masarap talaga. Nagugutom ka ba? Kasi nagpa-fasting ka na.
Oh, of course. When I'm with Kuya Kurt, I'm hungry. Always hungry. You have to be always hungry with you.
Kahit 100 subo lang. Kuya Ed, how hungry are you?
Very hungry.
On a scale of 0 to 645.
1.
Ang gutom kasi 1 is pinaka nagagutom.
Yeah. I was really thinking about this since this morning.
All day.
Yeah. Every time I have a hangover,
Ito
me
na.
and my friend, we come here. We order this and then only.
Ito yung gamot para sa amats.
Yeah.
Yun. Mismo.
It's a medicine.
Ano yung talagang definition ng amats? Yan yung feeling kapag buzzed ka
So
or
that's a reverse word. Tama.
amats, tama.
But my motto when I'm drinking, it's mas magandang may
What is
tama kaysa mali.
Sausage.
Ayun.
Just smoked
Siyempre
sausage.
naman.
Yeah.
Do you make it or you?
Yeah. That's one manually.
It's pork.
That's
Well,
pork.
yeah.
Meron bang isa pang baso para sa kapatid na lalaki?
Uy,
First time titikman niya ng titikman niya yung Red Horse.
The sausage is so good.
I know.
Yeah, sausage.
It's so savory.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, this is yours.
Okay.
And this is yours.
So good.
Guys, this is little Ky Ky. His first time trying Red Horse.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm not a big beer guy, so I don't want to disappoint.
This one is, I think, 12% alcohol. 12%. Isn't it?
Yeah.
This might be the first time we drank together.
Guys, tagay!
Cheers, cheers.
Kampa.
Kampay!
Hey, alright.
Sarap.
That's
Okay.
decent. That's just
Good,
fine.
right?
Yeah.
Told you.
It's not overly
Yeah.
beer tasting.
No, it's
Yeah, no, I have a hard time with that beer taste. That's
good,
fine.
right?
That's just
It's
a
not-
palate.
it's not
That's
bitter,
a
it's-
palate cleanse. That's
It's
all that
quality,
is.
kasakmol.
That's the kagandahan sa Red Horse. It doesn't overpower.
And it's famous here.
Hey, Red Horse won't overpower, but it gives you wings. Yeah, this is the most popular beer.
Yeah.
Especially if you drink it beside the beach.
Oh yeah.
So good. Very fruity.
Where do I find a bitch?
Oh, many. What do you like? How many?
Ito talaga.
Words are fun.
Ito talaga.
Short or tall?
Dapat hahanapin natin siyang jowa
Oh,
dito sa Pilipinas.
I am single.
Single and ready to jingle, huh?
Jingle.
There you go. Oh my
I
god.
keep matching with Filipino girls, but they end up becoming. They keep telling me they're trans, and I guess I have a type. I don't know.
Don't go in Thailand.
Yeah.
No, the problem I'm finding, I was just in Thailand, and like all the girls will inject their lips in their face. So then when you come across like a Thai girl, you're like, well, you're pretty too, but your lips are just as big. Like you can't tell who is who because everybody has stuff in their face now.
Mag-shoot ka ng masit, yung cellphone ni Manang.
Philippines don't seem that bad though. Like Philippine girls don't seem obsessed with like giant lips and,
No.
and
They already
Botox.
have.
Natural.
They already have the.
Yeah.
That's why they say it's more fun in the Philippines.
More fun.
That's the dating motto yun, di ba? That's the old motto.
During, I think, Gloria Arroyo.
It's more fun in the Philippines.
That's very good sausage.
Very good, right?
So
Yeah,
the
it's
sausage
really
is so
good.
good.
Yeah.
That's solid.
You can see the chunks of meat.
Yeah. I like it when you chew the meat, it bursts in your mouth.
Bursts in your mouth, not in your hand.
Oh, it's M&M, huh?
Melts in your mouth, not in your hand. Kuya, bakit pink yung kanin? Anong nangyari?
It's a good match with this one.
No, the
No, it's natural, yeah.
Oh, it's natural.
It's natural.
Wow. So guys, ang galing kuya.
Thank you,
10 out of 10. Guys, kung hindi nyo pa sinabukan yung pagkain, yung luto dito sa ETAG TV sa Baguio, punta kayo dito guys para maranasan nyo para sa inyong sarili yung kabaitan ng owner and staff, yung kasarapan ng pagkain, at yung kabaitan ng bago mong tropa. Oh, grabe guys. Maraming salamat guys sa inyong pagsama sa vlog na ito. Maraming salamat sa ETAG TV.
Thank you so much.
Si Kuya Mark, si Kuya Ed, si Ma'am Graciel. He's the one in charge of lahat. So siya ang gumawa ng lahat na ito. At tapos yung kapatid na lalaki ko, si Kyle. Movie star siya, artista siya doon. Habulin nyo siya sa social media guys. Follow ETAG TV. Hanggang sa susunod, ako si Kuya Kurt. Kasamang buong cutie tropa. Kain kwento, kita kits guys. Bye-bye.